As far as cinema is concerned, it's an entertainment medium. Let's leave it at that. Leave the politics out of it. Let's not put this film also under stress for them. This is for entertainment.
Trust the hot water professionals for a refreshing bath.
Venus, the hot water professionals.
Beautiful, beautiful event here at Delhi because, Pongal being celebrated, the center of Delhi at this beautiful place is a great honor for all the Tamil people, and I'm glad that I was invited here. And I did meet the PM, and he was very, his aura is great, and he, with a smiling face, he invited us. We thanked him, and we are happy that we are here.
And what about the controversy, the movie controversy? They are saying that this is a propaganda movie, and the DMK is the way they are saying. How do you react?
See, I'm saying people will say whatever they think they want to say, but as far as cinema is concerned, it's an entertainment medium. Let's leave it at that. Leave the politics out of it, and it is for the audience. The audience wants some entertainment out of all the stress that they have. Let's not put this film also under stress for them. This is for entertainment. Just look at it as an entertainment purpose, and that's how I've been taught in cinema. That's how I've been grown watching many stars grow up in cinema. So cinema is just entertainment, and whatever good, if you want to take back home, you can take back home, or otherwise just see it for the entertainment value.
Sir, one actor, Mr. Vijay, he is now become a politician. How do you see some controversy he is also facing regarding the Karur scandal and all?
Yes.
Questioning his
Yes.
How do you see this?
I mean, as a fan, Vijay Anna's fan, I've always been praying for his success in every way possible, and in every stage I've shown that I'm an ardent fan to him. Forget stage, personally also I have shown him. People won't know. I always wish and pray that there are no more controversies, there are no more problems in his career, and whatever he does, he comes up great.
Trust the hot water professionals for a refreshing bath.
Venus, the hot water professionals.